Hey spicy fans, welcome back to the spicy kitchen. Today it is Akaka. Akaka is Kokonte. Simple. One ingredient needed. Just Kokonte flour. It's just cassava flour. We dry cassava and then pound it into powder form. And then we just cook something simple. And some people might call it looks like some dishes called amala, banku, fufu, but akaka for short. It is not akaka if Spicyfafa is not cooking it. It is akaka in my language. This is how we do it. You put water on. While the water is boiling, I am going to quickly sprinkle the flour in it and stir. And when it's cooking, or when it's cooked, it looks brown. Akaka is brown. Akaka has to be brown. I don't like my akaka very soft. I don't like it blah 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 blah. I like it cook. Stir, 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 stir. It can be very lumpy. And you have to be skilled in cooking this. You see, when you stir like that, you start stirring it into towards yourself. I think I still need it a bit hard. Stir the flour in gently. Yes, this is how I like it. And then as you are doing, you tidying up the sides. At this stage, the heat has to be a bit high so that it will break all the lumps. It's very lumpy now. That is how it is. It's going to be lumpy and you need to work it out very well for it to break. I have tested another version of cooking this. You can actually mash the flour, mash it just like you mash fufu flour and put it on. You don't have to always work it out. This is hard work, mind you, but it is nice. And this is like the traditional way everybody likes doing it. And there's another third way of doing it. As the water is boiling, you take some of the flour, you mix it in water, cold water, you make small porridge, and then you put the flour in it and cook it just like you are making akpele. Yeah, simple. Why do we have to work so hard to cook a simple meal to eat? This is macho hands, so it is really breaking it. Imagine you have a big pot of akaka. Hard work. But our parents, our mothers like it like that. Traditional. Rest a bit.
I want to do it more.
Look at him. He's even enjoying cooking it. Are you enjoying it?
Hard work.
I tell you, it's hard work. Look at this small akaka. You the men, you like eating this food. You should see how hard work it is. Are you tired?
Very.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're going to have a reward. You see, there's a lump in it. So I'm going to tidy up. As you know, he's just driving without watching his front or back. It's hard work. Can you still see some little, but they will break. If you like, try the other methods I just talked about, and you will see that we just worry ourselves with one particular way of cooking food. Food is an art, remember? Cooking food is an art, and that is what we here in Spicyfafa kitchen talk about all the time. We don't want you suffering longer hours cooking a simple, lovely dish. Look at Akaka. Look, Akaka. Hey! This is so lovely. So, this is where I am going to cover it. I like the consistency, the texture, I like it. I'm not going to add water, I'll just cover it, and then when it sweats, the sweat will be my water. And I'll stir that in nicely. Again, and then boom, ready for eating. So let's check on our Akaka. The steam will help it. Haha! Akaka is done already. Oh, Akaka doesn't take long to cook. You see how sticky it is? Stir it till it is smooth, beautifully smooth for serving. You see? Still some of the little lumps. Those who cook Kokonte on the street, you can see that they continuously stir it. They continuously stir it. They are just there doing this, doing it like that. Even amala, keep on doing it. Some people like it very soft, but oh, there's a lump breaking there. But this is done. Akaka is done. Akaka, you can have Kokonte with any soup. Palm nut soup, very thick, nice palm nut soup, or even light, yeah. Okra soup, mixed palm nut and okra soup. Peanut soup, mixed okra and peanut soup. Today I am having mine with some sumptuous peanut butter soup. I bet you want it. So I am, you see, I am beautifying it. It is fun to cook this soup. It's fun. I'm just making one beautiful ball at a time. Whoosh! Look at that! I want to slap it. And then another one. Whoop. And then the rest, you can wrap it in a cling film or directly into a food warmer. Look at this. Beauty! The last one. How simple is that? Food warmer. Cover it up. Akaka Kokonte Spicyfafa way. Ta-da! Akaka, Akaka. My Kokonte is ready, and as I said, I am going to have it with peanut butter soup. Kokonte, aka Akaka. This is my peanut butter soup that I'm going to have with it. If you don't want this, what else do you want? You are invited. But when you come, not eat too much. You are invited. Akaka is ready. Spicyfafa. Akaka. Done.